My name is Delicia Porterfield, and I'm a councilwoman here in Nashville for District 29. Your money is so important, and where your money goes is where your heart is. And if it's important to you to help shape our future, to help provide for students, then it's important to give to nonprofit organizations like Empowerment. Every dollar that you give, we stretch it a really long way. We've been able to provide backpacks and school supplies for students. We've been able to do program planning. Even with the small amount that we have, we're able to go really, really far. So Empowerment Inc. has a very important impact on the students that we service. When I was in the classroom, we were always looking for mentorship opportunities. We were looking for someone to come in and show the students that they matter and that there are people outside of their school and outside of their family that really care about them. With Empowerment Inc., we send volunteers into the schools and work directly with students to show them how important they are and to give them that extra boost of confidence to know that they are important, they are valuable, and that their community cares. Give because our students matter.